Hi, today I will create a free website. Actually, SEO specialist and marketer need to be the website. Why? Actually, when we are practicing our task, then this time we need to be the website. And now I will create a free website. First of all, I will go to the infinity.com platform. Yeah, here is. Now go to the website and click register now and sign up with Google. Okay, now I'll choose my Gmail account. Click continue. Okay, now click create account. Okay, we are choose the $0 this section, and they are provide 5 GB disks, unlimited bandwidth and unlimited hosting domain, and we don't need to the enough disks. 5 GB disks is enough. We need to practice, and now we'll click create now. Okay, now I will enter my website subdomain name, and here is I am selected infinity.free.com, and now website name is okay. Now click check activity. Here this domain is available, and now I'll enter my password. And email consent I approve, click, and then I will click the create account. Right. Remember this Infinity website free where domain and hosting, and this is very good news. And here is make sure and okay, here is attention here. It can take up to 72 hours for new domains to be accessible everywhere. Actually, this means your website is 48 to 72 hours is available in Google search engine or other search engine, and everyone can see your website. And now I will choose the script installer. Yeah, click install WordPress. Okay, now we'll choose the HTTPS, and here is our website link names, and it is on now again my website site name, and now here is my admin username, and click the password. uh, okay, site email, admin email. Okay, then now I will click install. Okay, our account is approved and our website is built. Now I will go to the my website. Okay, here is our website dashboard. Now we will create a pages, and after that you are uh, practice your task. And this is our video. Thank you watching my videos. I hope everyone is helped this video. Thank you so much.